Welcome. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the two PCS 530-450-5088 washer door latch replacement at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This set of washer door latches is an essential replacement part for those experiencing issues with their Electrolux or Frigidaire washers, particularly models like EFLW 317TIW0, EFLW 417SIW0, and EFLS 517SIW0. The package includes two pieces of the 530-450-5088 washer door latch, designed to ensure a secure and reliable door closure. Made from durable zinc die-cast material, these latches are built to withstand daily wear and tear, promising a long-lasting solution to common washer door problems. One of the standout features of this replacement part is its compatibility with multiple Electrolux and Frigidaire washer models, as well as part numbers AP6031188, 445, 2319, and PS117666033. This means you can confidently replace a faulty or worn-out door latch without worrying about fitment issues. The installation process is straightforward, making it accessible even for those with minimal technical skills. Just remember to unplug your washing machine before starting the replacement to ensure safety. On the pros side, the zinc die-cast construction offers excellent durability, and the two-piece package provides a backup or a replacement for both sides if needed. The latch effectively resolves problems such as the washer door not closing properly, the machine not starting due to door issues, or leaks caused by an improperly latched door. However, a potential downside is that this product is not officially affiliated with Electrolux or Frigidaire, so buyers should verify compatibility carefully before purchasing. Overall, this 2PCS washer door latch replacement is a practical and reliable option for restoring your washing machine's door functionality without the need for professional repair services. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is pinned in the first comment below for your convenience.